Welcome to section 2.11. This is the 23rd session of the ISACA CISA exam prep series. In this session, we'll cover how enterprises keep their technology quality high. We'll work through several questions. What does quality assurance actually do? How is it different from quality control? Why must the quality function stay independent? What does quality management cover? And what is an operational excellence team for? Why does this matter beyond the exam? Because quality is what makes your systems trustworthy. Picture a developer pushing an untested change straight to production. It breaks the payroll run for thousands of staff. A proper quality process would have caught it first. That is the safety net you will be checking for. When it is missing, errors reach real users. So what does quality assurance actually do? It gives confidence that a product meets its requirements. Think of it as a planned, systematic set of actions. Its people confirm that every system change is approved and tested. They confirm changes move to production in a controlled way. They oversee how developers access the production environment, and they protect the integrity of the source code. So quality assurance is really about trusting the process. If the process is sound, the output can be trusted. How is it different from quality control? People use the two terms loosely, but they differ. Quality assurance is about the process. It makes sure staff follow the prescribed quality steps. It sets up the procedures everyone should use. Quality control is about the product. It runs the tests and reviews to catch actual defects. That checking happens before anything reaches production. Here is a simple way to hold it. Assurance builds the recipe and the kitchen rules. Control tastes the dish before it leaves the kitchen. Who owns these functions inside the enterprise? The Quality Assurance Group develops and maintains the standards. It also trains people on those standards and procedures. The Quality Control Group does the periodic checking. It double-checks what goes into an application, how it runs, and what comes out. So one group writes the rules and the other tests against them. Why must the quality function stay independent? Because you cannot fairly check your own work. The Quality Assurance Group needs to stand apart from the work it checks. In some places, it sits inside a larger control function. In a small shop, one person may wear several hats, but one rule never bends. No one should ever review their own work. And avoid a reviewer whose role creates a conflict. A database administrator should not quality review changes that hit the database. That conflict would undermine the whole check. What does quality management cover? It is the discipline of running, measuring, and improving technology processes. A process is just a set of tasks that produce a desired result. Its reach is broad across the department. Software development, maintenance, and daily operations. Hardware and software acquisition and service management. Security and general administration too. Defining and documenting these processes is a sign of good governance. Sticking to them is what makes the department efficient. Quality standards help build an environment that is predictable and repeatable. So what is an operational excellence team for? It exists to make operations more efficient and effective. The team hunts down and eliminates waste. It streamlines processes and improves collaboration. It often uses data and analytics to find what to fix. Its responsibilities vary by industry and focus, but common ones recur. Developing and sharing the best ways of working, coaching and supporting colleagues across teams, and serving as a resource across the enterprise. The payoff is lower cost and higher customer satisfaction. So let's bring it together. Quality assurance trusts the process, while quality control tests the product. One group writes the standards and another checks against them. The quality function must stay independent and never review its own work. Quality management controls and improves processes across the department, and an operational excellence team drives out waste for better results. Hold this, and you can judge whether quality is truly built in. The MCQs covering all the topics and concepts from this session are available on RooCloud.com. Practice the chapter-specific MCQs before moving on to the next session. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, post a comment below or email us. I will see you in the next session.